So today I want to talk about a really great service, and this website basically allows you to access thousands of professionals that are willing to help you with your online business, whether you would need backlinks to your blog or website, or, help with your Instagram, Facebook, Amazon. If you have a product that you're selling and you need professional pictures taken of that product, you would be able to go to this website and basically be able to pay a reasonable fee for a great service. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to type in WordPress to see what type of gigs pop up, because I just want to show you, just give you an example of the types of sellers that could offer what if you do have a WordPress blog. And as you can see, all of these different gigs are available when you go to this website. And you get to pick and choose which seller you want to work with. If you don't want to pay, $25, you can always search for sellers that are offering the same service for only $5. As you can see, I will design WordPress website and redesign WordPress. You can get people to upload things like to your website, your WordPress or website through FTP. You can get banners created, logos created. I'm just going to type in something else. High PR backlinks. And as you can see, where it's showing those stars, it's basically showing you all the buyers that left a review. And this seller, he has over 977 buyers. And I'm just going to keep on scrolling down to show you some of the reviews left by the buyers. And again, this seller has 977 reviews, so if you're ever wondering, what type of service you may get from a seller, you can always just go to their profile on this website and read the reviews they have before you even make a purchase. And by the way, it's 100% free to sign up, and you only pay when you find a service that you want to pay for. There's no monthly fees. And it's a worldwide service. So anyone from any country can go to this website and get in contact with these professionals and get work done. So I'm just going to keep on scrolling here because I want to show you guys that there are more gigs that you can purchase. And for this example, I'm going to show you product photography. So if you have a product that you're offering, you can contact the seller and reach out to the seller. And if you guys both agree, you could ship your product to the seller. They would take professional pictures of your product. And if you wanted the seller to keep your product, then they would be able to keep it. And then they would send you the professional images through your account. Now, if you don't want them to keep your product, they don't have to. They can always ship it back. But I know when I got my professional pictures taken of a certain product that I'm selling, I ended up letting the seller keep the products. Kept about 3 products, and I didn't mind. Another one I want to show you is business card design. If you have a particular business card design in mind, you can have the seller design you a business card for $5 or a little bit more. And again, if you only want to work with sellers that are offering their service for $5, you would just go to the left-hand column and type in $5 and click on the arrow, and it will pull up a list of all the sellers that are offering a $5 gig. And when you purchase on this website, the seller always has so many days to deliver your order. They might have 3-5 days, whatever amount of time they choose. You would always know how many days they have to deliver your order. If it's marked late or if they never deliver, one thing I love about this website is you would always get a refund. If you end up dealing with the seller and the service is not up to par, or, there's some type of issue going on, you would always be able to get your money back. If you want to go to this website, all you have to do is go to my description in this video and click on the link in my description. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and click on the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.